In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a company overview dashboard in ClickUp. We're creating a single place where you can see what's happening across your teams, track progress, and make decisions faster. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and logging in. Once you're in, head to Dashboards. Click Add Dashboard and give it a clear name like Company Overview, so everyone knows its purpose at a glance. Next, choose a layout that matches how you like to work. Grid gives you a balanced, modular canvas that's easy to scan. Columns are great if you want a left-to-right flow. For example, activity on the left, deadlines in the middle, and workload on the right. If you already have a vision, pick custom layout so you can fine-tune placement later. Now, add the building blocks. Click Add Widget and start with a task list to track active tasks across teams. Add a calendar to monitor deadlines and key events. Include goals to keep company KPIs visible and measurable. Use charts to visualize task progress and overall project performance. And add workload to see team capacity so you can balance assignments before bottlenecks form. Place only what you'll actually review. A focused dashboard is more actionable. Quick note before we continue. If you need the desktop app or prefer using the website, I've placed a download link and a web link right at the top of the description so you can get ClickUp set up quickly. With your widgets in place, customize each one so the data is relevant. Use filters to include the right spaces, folders, or lists. For example, you might filter sales, marketing, operations, and finance so each widget pulls from the same high-level areas. You can also refine by assignee, status, or due date to keep the view clean and current. Adjust the layout until it's easy to read. Drag widgets into logical zones and resize them so priority information is larger. A common approach is to keep time-sensitive items like calendar and workload near the top, then charts and goals below for trend tracking. When you're happy with the setup, share the dashboard with management or team members. Set the right permissions so people can view or collaborate, and everyone gets real-time updates without chasing status reports. Finally, use this dashboard daily. Scan it to monitor performance, spot bottlenecks early, and make informed decisions. Over time, tweak filters or layout as your priorities shift, but keep the purpose consistent. Fast, clear insights in one place. That's it. You now have a clean ClickUp company dashboard to manage your team and projects from one central view. Thanks for watching.